What's up guys? Live check-in. Kakatapos na namin mag-workout. And feels good. Feels good. Grabe yung pawis. You got me. Shoutouts to Tita Mimi. What's up? From all the way from California. DJ Looney Worldwide Official. Guys, nagtataka ako kung bakit iniisip yung hindi ako okay. Di ko alam kung saan yun nasasagap yun. Di ko na alam dyan, saan nila nasasagap yung ano. Iniisip nila parang hindi okay or something. Di ko maintindihan saan nanggagaling yun.
Okay na okay siya.
Yes, sir!
100%.
Guys, may share ako sa inyo ng kanta. Dati ko pa to na pinapakinggan and every time I work out or every time, basta pag natugtog tong kantang to, talagang, oh fuck, talagang iba yung pakiramdam. So, try to vibe out.
Thanks for watching.
Sabi ko sa inyo, nakaka-hyper yung kantang yan. Meron kami vlog and kasama ko dun sila June, si Chard, si Long Mejia Winston, si Nico, and si Duji. And gonna upload it soon. Yep. So stay tuned. Relax lang tayo, chill lang tayo. Alright? Sabi nila, maraming nag-advise sa akin na wag daw iwan yung YouTube kasi sayang yung pera, sayang ano. So for me, I'm not vlogging for money, alright?
Yes!
I'm vlogging because I want to share. It's not about the money. Title nun, Rest of My Life by Ludacris, Usher, and David Guetta. Say thank you to me. Later. Laters, baby. What? Grabe yan.
Nakakawag yun.
Ang sarap ng pawis. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Guys, medyo bumabalik-balik na tayo dyan sa Pilipinas. Ingat-ingat. Bumabalik na tayo sa work. Bumabalik na tayo sa labas. So, you guys should take care. Doble ingat. Keep your faith burning. Right? Papakalbo kaya ako. Joke lang. Joke lang. Init kasi dito eh. Parang ang lapit namin sa araw eh. Parang ang lapit ng China sa araw eh. Fuck. Excuse my language. Oh. Guys. You guys are not ready for what's coming. So you guys better be prepared of what's coming. Alright? Joke lang yung pakalbo. Joke papakalbo, syempre. May sexy sa likod ko. Ay! Si Arnold Schwarzenegger. Si Terminator 4. Si Taguro. Andiyan na si Taguro.
Siguro.
Oh. Be water, my friend. Grabe ang pawis, guys. Parang useless maligo. Kasi ang init. Pero kailangan maligo. Wash out. Wash out from Cagayan de Oro. What's up? What's up? What's up? You guys better be prepared. Be prepared. Better be prepared because you guys are not ready. You guys are not ready for what's coming. God. God. know what's good in working out? Sa pagkatapos, ang sarap gumalaw. Ang sarap gumalaw. Joke lang yung pakalbo, guys. Ilang taon ko tong pinaghirapan tong buhok na to. Guys, tomorrow, 3 p.m. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na na. I'm excited. J Roa, Asian Cutie Wine. Five minutes. Gonna end this live. Wala lang na, check-in lang. Vibe check-in, live check-in. Shoutout sa lahat na nanonood, of course. And Q&A. Ba't kailangan ng Q&A? Sarap makinig. Oh, paparinig ako sa inyo. It's one of my favorite. This one's one of my favorite. Isang song, ha? Gusto niyo ng song, ha?
Sorry?
Baka kung ano-ano na naman yung isipin niyo, ha? Wait. Hanap ako ng... Tingnan niyo kasi, oh. Yan, oh. Wait, tain siya. See? 2080 vibes. Imagine. Yung mga anak ko maririnig to. God. Maghahanap ako ng isang ano na may hirapan kayong hulaan kung anong kantang to. Wait. So yung paunahan, ha, walang ano, ha, walang Shazam ha. Gusto niyo sumabay ako? Kahit pangit yung boses ko. Wait. Kasi di ko mahanap. Isi-search ko na lang. Where's the... Ayun. Ayoko na. Ma, hayaan mo na. My mom is watching. Ay, gusto mo nga ganyanan, ma. I dedicate this to my mom. Paborito ng kantay ng mama ko, and since my mom is watching right now, this song's for you. And I thank you for, God blessed me with a very beautiful mother, a loving mother, a supportive mother. Gang. And I don't know, the best mom, the best girl, super mom, a super girl, idol, and I don't know. Ma, this for you. I love you. Alright. We're good, guys. Ano lang yun? That's a song for my mom. A song for my mom. Song for my mama. Guys. I have an advice for you guys, alright? I have an advice. If you're into a situation, alright? If you're into a situation, Jay, pasarado ka, Jay. Before I end this live, I'll end this with just a simple advice, right? If you're into a situation, do not label it as kung ano man, right? Good or bad. Kasi, when you label it as something, nawawalan ka ng chance to explore the bright side or kung ano man yung meron on that certain situation. Right? So let's say for example, if I'll say this food is bad and this food is good. So because na-label ko siya as bad and good or good. So nangyayari, ayaw mo nang tikman yung isang pagkain kasi nilabel mo na siya as bad eh. Right? So do not label it as bad or good. Right? Kung mayroong isang situation, feel the beauty of exploring it. Alright? So hayaan yung i-explore nyo yung isang sitwasyon. Huwag nyo hayaan na papasok sa utak nyo kung good ba siya or bad. Alright? Because in every situation, may gift yan. Alright? So, yun lang. Alright? Last song for today. Kung kung pagdating ng araw, nakita ko kasi dito, Jay, kung merong, ito yung gusto kong i-play pag nagkakape. Or pag sa bahay, pag example, asawa na, or meron ng meron ng girlfriend.
Hey.
Girlfriend man. Ito yung music ko every morning.